Let's create a cozy fireplace video you can loop on your TV this winter. With AI, you can create a fireplace video with whatever you want. Today we'll use Kling because they offer both image and video generations, plus they have a motion brush. We'll do a text to video version next, but let's start with a text to image because it's less credit intensive and we can play around more. So I'm just going to paste a prompt that I had help with from ChatGPT. Then I'm going to change the aspect ratio to 16:9 so it looks good on a TV screen. If you're doing it for social, choose one of the other ones. We can have it create up to 8 images at once, which costs more credits. I think 4 is a good happy medium. And let's generate. All right, here is our squirrel in a sweater. It looks a little too much like a painting to me. I want it to be more photographic. So let's update the prompt and add the word photograph and generate it. And that has some depth of field and looks a little more photographic. Maybe you like the painted look though. That's between you and your imagination, whatever you want to do. All right, we have a squirrel we like. We can upscale it, use it as a reference, or the one we're going to go with here is bring to life. That button sends the image over to Kling's image to video. Now we can add a prompt if we want to help focus the motion, but let's see what it looks like without doing any motion brush or any prompt, just image to video. All right, it's nice, but it's not a fireplace video, which tend to be more static. All right, so now let's try it out with the motion brush. You're going to scroll down, click this little icon. Here's our first brush for area 1. I'm going to cover the fire. And for the track, you can just draw a line for the direction you want the arrow to go. That tells it which direction the motion should go. Now, here's a hot tip. If you want to make sure that you get a static shot, draw a frame around the edges with the static area brush. It doesn't need to be perfect. It will just prevent the camera from zooming in or panning because it can't move that border. And for our second area, let's just move the mug in the direction of the squirrel's mouth. It might do it anyway, but I think this helps. That's better, I think. All right, now let's try out text to video. I'm going to use the same prompt we used to make the image, but we're going to skip the image generation and just use that prompt to make a video. Let's check our aspect ratio and then make sure we're only generating one video for 35 credits. And here's how that looks. I did another one with static camera in the prompt. Also, Kling has 2 models, 1.0 and 1.5. I'm using 1.0 for this because I want to be able to extend the clips. And right now, 1.5 generations can't be extended. So 1.0 works better for what we're trying to do. Okay, let's extend this video by 5 seconds and use a prompt. Sometimes the prompts work better, sometimes auto extend works better. If you have something specific in mind, I'd start with the prompt. And here's one of a hippogriff. I think that's what this is called. Let's try one with the wings rising up, putting our static border in there, and another with the wings folding down. All right, wings going up looks good, and wings folding down looks terrible, but let's try to fix that by making the head static. It looks better, right? I think it looks better. I think Kling does really good with these wing animations. And the last step is putting it all together. You'll need to download and bring all of your clips into a video editor like CapCut. What I like about CapCut is that you can go to audio, then sound effects, then search for things like cozy crackling fireplace and use that as like the fireplace noise. And that's it. It is super fun. Go use your imagination and creativity to create a cozy Yule Log video. And check out the ones I made, which are linked in the description, and hopefully you'll see them pop on the screen now.